Hi, I'm Vanessa the girl on a bike, and today I have decided to use my stay home lockdown to practice my tyre changing. I've got the Rabaconda that makes everything a hell of a lot easier, and I'm going to practice over and over again. And by the end of this video, make sure you stay listening. We will see how long I managed to get a tyre change down to. I'm Vanessa the girl on a bike. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell, check out my Instagram and my Facebook, and here's my time lapse. Using my stay home time for practicing, I have just managed a whole tyre change in 3 minutes 57 seconds. This thing is madness. 3 minutes 57. Okay, again. I think I've done 8 or 9 tyre changes, and that from axle, wheel on, to wheel change to wheel back on, new tyre, 5:27.